Let's go inside.
See you our next vlog.
Not
Bye.
next vlog. Very early. Bye. Let's go. You don't want to go shopping? What? What did you want Joe? 850. Take two the phone.
I am so tickled and
Teacher.
What is this?
Money, please. To go that side,
What before we buy the
What?
the gel?
Not have. Not have.
What is that? I forgot that. Ah, giling. No small. Is it dirty?
Take it on, no problem. That's fine, no.
Huh?
Why are you hiding there? Come here. Careful. Ready?
Hi guys! Tapos na kaming mamili. Ready din na ako ng video kanina doon. Kasi nga, si Orlin takbo ng takbo. Kaya walang tawag dito, walang oras mag-video. So tapos na kami mag-grocery. So pupunta ulit kami doon sa 20 Plaza para bumili ng carton. Kasi mag-i-empake na kami. Then see you na lang guys doon. What you want? Orlin, what you want? What you looking? That's Hello Kitty. Bag Hello Kitty. The black one. Yes. So cute. Nandito kami guys sa sa Center Point. Daming mga sale nila, nasa 25% at 70% guys. What you are looking ulit? Ang ganda ng mga ano, ng mga tawag dito, bag. Ito din guys, bag. Ito, binili ko rin dito. Hey! Oh my god, what are you doing? Get up! Get up! Kapa di ha? Slipper? Be. Kapa.
Mama, you're wearing this.
No, I'm not wearing that.
Mama, this how I walk. Look. Mama, this how I walk. That's how I walk.
Hi.
Like this.
So, ayun guys, pupunta na kami ng 20 Plaza. Pumunta lang kami sa Center Point. Nagtingin-tingin. Pero wala ring nabili. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng, ano, doon na lang kami punta ng 20 Plaza kasi nga, may bibiling kaming cartoon. So, ayan. Walking. Hi!
I am not tired of cooking this.
Ha? Dosa? Dosa.
What?
Two-piece. Okay. Maybe after forget. I just keep it here.
Mama, I have something to show you.
What again? Show me. Andito na kami guys sa 20 Plaza. Ayan si Orlen. Ala na naman yan. You try. Go this side. Wow. Be. Go this side.
This is for the baby, right?
Yeah. We will buy there only. Ulit na.
Talking Angela.
Huh?
Talking Angela.
When? Angela is talking?
Talking Toma.
Show. Wait. Hi. Oh.
Hi. Can you
Bata.
talk to me? Hi.
Oh. Dada, she's talking.
Hi. Hi.
Go near.
Hi.
She's getting angry.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, ka. Hello, she's laughing. Hi, oh. Hi.
Make sound.
I said no. We will buy this one and then we will play later.
Yeah, I see.
Hello.
Say daday. Hello, cutie.
I want to buy this. I want to buy this, Mama.
I say no.
No. Hello.
I said no.
Hello, my beauty.
This one, Mia, the snake ladders, that one.
Same, but I'm thinking I'm sure. It looks different.
Huh? May show me this one. Huh? You think it's different? Have like this and have this one too.
Dada. Look at the nose.
On this one?
Dada.
This one you want? This one or this one?
senior. This one senior, no? I'll buy this. Ha?
Talking, Angela, talking, Angela, talking. Water, talking, Angela, talking, Angela, talking, Angela, talking, Angela.
Dami mga plato, guys. Ganda, oh. Ang cute. Clay, this one, eh? Clay, guys. Oh. Ganda. Pati ito yata, clay. Pero shiny siya. Dami mga glasses. Let's go na. So ayan guys, nakabili na kami ng aming gustong bilhin na cartoon. Tapos bumili kami ng Angela Talking, mga toys ni Orly.
No, talking Angela, not the Angela talking.
Oh, sorry.
Look at the name of the talking Angela talking, not the
Talking Angela. Naku, kinorek ko.
Angela talking.
Talking Angela. Si Luca, Talking Angela.
Talking Angela, not the Angela talking.
Okay, kinorek pa ako.
Do you want to hear the voice of her?
Later. So ayan guys, tapos na kami dito. So pauwi na. Then, see you na lang guys sa aming next vlog.
See you now.
Ayan. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys. See you in our next vlog. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching guys. See you our next vlog. Bye. Say bye talking Angela. She don't want to say hi. It's okay. She's a little bit shy. Bye.